Hey everyone, it's Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at two unanimous strong buy stocks under $10 a share. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here and TGI Friday. Today, we're taking a look at two top analyst stocks that come in with all buy ratings from Wall Street and are priced under $10 per share. We're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those Wall Street analysts are predicting for the stock's future. Just before we get into that, this is a heads up that right now TipRanks is having their Black Friday sale where you can get 40% off premium subscriptions. So if you've been considering unlocking some fantastic investment research tools, now is a great time to do so. You can head on over to the website or use the links down below to take advantage of the sale now. Now we found today's stocks over on the TipRanks Top Analyst Stock page. That is found right under the Ideas menu under Top Analyst Stocks. Here you'll find a collection of stocks that have picked up ratings from 5-star analysts recently. So we're looking for a strong buy stock today and sorted by price to look at some under $10. And just before we get into today's companies, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Let's dive right into our unanimous strong buy stocks. First on our list, and the cheapest stock of the day, is Cipher Mining. They trade under the ticker CIFR, currently priced at $6.88. And this is a stock that we touched on before back in March. Year to date, the stock has gained over 57%, in the last 3 months gaining 62%. Cipher Mining is an industrial-scale Bitcoin mining company. They develop and operate data centers for Bitcoin mining and high-performance computing, or HPC hosting. They aim to strengthen the Bitcoin's network infrastructure and be a leader in Bitcoin mining innovation, while also expanding into HPC infrastructure and are hosting partners to some of the world's largest HPC companies. They shared their Q3 earnings report on October 31st, and their results did come out below expectations. They reported a Q3 earnings per share loss of 26 cents per share, which was about 19 cents worse than analysts were anticipating, on a net loss of $87 million. Revenue of $24 million did miss estimates by $4 million, but the company did highlight multiple acquisitions during the quarter, including their Barber Lake data center site, the Reve data center site, and that they signed option agreements to purchase at least 3 sites in Texas. Analysts seemed unfazed by those missed quarterly estimates, instead focusing on the momentum that Bitcoin has seen lately, increasing their price target on the Cipher Mining stock. The most recent being an analyst from Stifel who updated price targets on all their crypto-related companies, saying that Bitcoin has seen an explosive move to close in on a historic $100,000 spot price following the election of pro-crypto candidate Donald Trump. Following the recent run, the firm anticipates top-line and margin expansion across most of its Bitcoin-linked coverage. Cipher Mining has 9 current analyst ratings, all giving the stock a buy. And the average price target comes in just shy of $8 per share for an upside potential of about 19%. Looking at those ratings down below, on the low end, we do have a $6 price target, which is a downside of 8% as we've already surpassed that, and our high end is $9 with a couple ratings there for an upside of 38%. Number 2 on our list today is Powerfleet. They trade under the ticker AIOT, currently priced at $7.07. This is another one that we talked about. This one was back in July. Year to date, the stock is up 106%, up 34% in the last 6 months, and 44% in the last 3. Powerfleet specializes in combining AI and IoT tech into a unified platform. And that platform integrates people, assets, and AIoT data for optimized operations. They enable enterprise customers to effectively manage industrial fleets, trucks, tractor trailers, shipping containers, and other vehicles, helping to ensure security, tracking, and overall control of these high-value assets. And on November 12th, Powerfleet came out with both an earnings and revenue beat for their second quarter. They reported Q2 earnings per share of 2 cents, beating expectations by 3 cents per share, while their revenue grew 7% year over year to $77 million, beating estimates by $2 million. They said that their first half of the year results exceeded expectations, and they reaffirmed their guidance for the year ahead. And just today, a 5-star analyst from Barrington increased their price target on the stock by 50%. They noted that the company held an analyst day that the firm says gave a deep dive into growth opportunities from legacy Powerfleet and the acquisitions of both Mixed Telematics and Fleet Complete. The firm says they believe that Powerfleet's long-term growth outlook is very positive. The stock comes in as a unanimous strong buy based on 6 current analyst ratings. And the average price target is $11.25, implying an upside potential of 59%. Looking at those ratings down below, our low-end price target, we have a couple at $7 that we've already surpassed in price for a slight downside of 0.7%, while our high-end price target is today's, coming in at $15 for an upside potential of over 112%. If you've made it to our third stock today, then this is a reminder to make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Last but not least, we're taking a look at Genius Sports. They trade under the ticker GENI, currently priced at $9.16, and this is another one that we have talked about before, most recently in September. Year to date, the stock has gained 47% and are up over 16% in the last 3 months. Genius Sports is a sports data and technology company. Founded back in 2001 as a betting data specialist, they've grown to become one of the world's largest sports technology companies, working with big brands to transform sports data, performance, and fan experience. They collect, aggregate, and repackage sporting data that is then sold as a data pipeline. They work with sports organizations ranging from the NFL and Premier League English football to second division badminton. They also came out with their latest earnings report on November 12th, sharing a surprise profit, revenue beat, and increasing their full-year guidance. They reported Q3 earnings per share of 5 cents, beating analyst expectations by 6 cents per share and posting their very first positive profit there. Revenue came in at $120 million, growing 18% year over year and exceeding estimates by $1.28 million. The company also raised their 2024 revenue and adjusted EBITDA guidance and reaffirmed their expectations to generate positive cash flow in 2024. And following that earnings report, we have had quite a few analysts bumping up their price targets, one of them being B. Riley Financial. They said while the 2025 forecasts are largely unchanged, the earnings call commentary suggests the consensus estimates are likely conservative. The firm believes Genius remains the best way to play visible online sports global gaming growth. And the Genius Sports stock has 10 analysts weighing in, all rating the stock a buy. And that unanimous strong buy rating comes with an average price target of $11.28, implying an upside potential of 23% from current prices. Down below, we can see several of those price targets being increased. Our low-end price target is $9 here, with a slight downside of 1.3%, while our high-end price target is several, all coming in at $12 for an upside of 31.5%. So that is a quick look at 3 unanimous strong buy stocks, all priced under $10 per share. Let me know your thoughts on these companies and which one catches your eye the most. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Of course, please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just sharing what those Wall Street analysts are looking at, so please make sure you always stick to your own investing plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.